राधे कृष्णा। जय बोलो सद्गुरुनाथ भगवान की जय। जय बोलो भीष्म पितामह की जय।
जय
जय बोलो गंगा माता की जय। जय बोलो विष्णु सहस्रनाम की जय। हरेर्नाम नामैव केवलम् कलौ नास्त्येव गतिरन्यथा. Harinama is the easiest and the best mantra or solution for Kali Yuga. Human life is so precious, human life is so valuable. So we have to utilize this life with perfect happiness, health, and prosperity. To enjoy the peace and prosperity, we need Bhagavan's blessings. To invoke the Bhagavan's blessings with us, we need to chant his name, holy names. Because Lord's names are filled with the positive energy. Each and every sound in this world has some energy. Some words are having negative energy, some words are having positive energy. In the Bhishma Pitamaha has compiled and enjoyed 1,000 namas of Lord Vishnu. So he has compiled 1,000 namas. Perfect. So today is the best day in our life to live in this year because today is Bhishmashtami, a day on which Vishnu Sahasranama recited by Sri Bhishma Pitamaha. Bhishma Pitamaha was one among the Ashtavasus. He enjoyed the power of chanting. During his chanting, Lord Krishna was present there. He just listened to the namas recited by Bhishma Pitamaha. So that's the power of Nama Sankirtana because it's pulling the Lord towards you. It's attracting the Lord. You are becoming a magnetic field and you are attracting the Lord towards you. That's why people are very much interested to learn Nama. Each and every Nama is filled with happiness, prosperity. Everything is there. There is no need to search for anything else in this world. So Bhishma Pitamaha was an arrow bed for more than 50 days, almost 58 days. He was in deathbed. For the past 58 days, what he did, he just chanted Vishnu Sahasranam. He just chanted. Even in the deathbed, we can able to chant Vishnu Sahasranam. Then you imagine the power when you chant during your daily routine or during your any other work. So it gives you immense pleasure, happiness, strength, clarity of mind, everything. So you are acquiring all the best things in this world by chanting Vishnu Sahasra Nama. So particularly on Bhishmashtami day, it's really a great pleasure to listen to Vishnu Sahasranama in the early morning session. I really enjoy the kids' Vishnu Sahasranama. So whenever you are chanting Lord's name, Lord is standing near by you. And He's keeping His lotus palm on your head and blesses you. So, Bhishma Pitamaha has given us the secret of keeping the God with us and within us. The God is always with us. By chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, we are holding the Lord's lotus feet and living our life. So Bhishmashtami, the day on which Sri Bhishma Pitamaha left his body and attained Lord Sriman Narayan. Krishna was a witness for this wonderful Vishnu Sahasranama. When Sri Bhishma Pitamaha chanted Vishnu Sahasranama, great rishis like Vedavyasa, Valmiki, Parashara, Shakti were present there and they enjoyed the power of Vishnu Sahasranama. So, whenever you are chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, many rishis are coming towards you and enjoying the power of Nama. So, when you are chanting Vishnu Sahasranama in your home, you are allowing the great sages to enter your home. What else you need? What else we need? Just imagine Veda Vyasa, Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya, Vyasa Rupaya Vishnavi is standing nearby. Kujantam Rama Rameti, Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulya. Right? There are so many things, right? Kujantam Rama Rameti, Maduram Maduraksharam, Aruhya Kavita Sakam, Vande Valmiki Kokiram. When Valmiki is standing with you, automatically Rama will come to you, right? So chanting Vishnu Sahasranama is the easiest thing in this world. So just enjoy this. It's a food for the soul. It's a food for the universe. Particularly during this Corona time, the SWAS has done a great job by coordinating with people around the globe and made everyone chanting Vishnu Sahasranama. So it's really a great thing happening around the world. Even Corona doesn't stop the power of chanting. So it's a great time. It's a great human life. It's a blessed life. So enjoy Vishnu Sahasranama. Bhishmashtami. Actually, Bhishma left his body on Bhishmashtami day. He just waited for the Ratha Saptami day. He left his body at Banganga. It is in Haryana nearby. Actually, the place is Kurukshetra only. If you go to that place, you can feel the vibration, the sanctity in that place. So chant more. By chanting, you can have darshan of Vedavyasa, Bhishma Pitamaha, or Sriman Narayana and his 1,000 rupa. Yes, every nama has different kind of rupam of Lord Sriman Narayana. So by chanting 1,000 names, you are able to enjoy 1,000 avatars of Lord Sriman Narayana. So today, the Viswas is arranging chanting in Divya Desams sung by Alvars. Alvars, all the Bhakti Udayavargal, that is the meaning in Tamil. That means who have gone to the depth of devotion and enjoy Lord Narayana. So they went to many temples. Some of the Alvars sat in one place, like Swami Nammalva. All the Divyadesham Perumal came to him and gave darshan. By sitting in a tamarind tree, he just recited Divya Prabandhams. So each and every Divyadesham has its own sanctity, So by chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, you will get opportunity to visit all the 108 Divya Desam. 106 in earth, 2 is above the earth. Tripad Kadal and Paramapatam, Vaikundi. So by chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, you will get an opportunity to travel along the Divya Desams. If you go to many Divya Desams, you can see the names of the Lord Pundarikaksha or Aravinda Lochana, Padmanabha, Amara Prabhu, right? Padmanabho, Amara Prabhu. Shivantam, Thiruvananthapuram, Lord is Sri Ananta Padmanabha Swami. So you just imagine if you chant Vishnu Sahasranama in Thiruvananthapuram, Padmanabho, Amara Prabhu, then Padmanabha will turn his head towards you and you will see. In Guruvayur, when Pundanam chanted Vishnu Sahasranamam, Lord Guruvayurappan enjoyed it like anything. So it's a great opportunity to enjoy Vishnu Sahasranamam. It's a great blessing. It's a great blessing. Once one devotee asked Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, why do we need to go to the temples? Then he asked the devotee, can you bring me some water to drink? The devotee went and he brought a pot of water, okay? A mud pot filled with water. Immediately, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa asked, I just asked for the water. Why are you giving me a mud pot? The devotee smiled and said, Swamiji, without pot, how can I bring you the water? That's why I have taken the water in the mud pot and giving you. I'm not giving you the empty vessel. I'm giving you the pot with water. Then Ramakrishna Paramahamsa smiled. He said, see, I have asked you for water, but you have brought me the water in a pot. Because you have told me to bring the water, you use the pot, mud pot, right? Same way, Lord is omnipotent, omnipresent, He is everywhere. But to enjoy His sanctity, to enjoy His divinity, to enjoy His blessings, temples are there. So when we are going to the temples, we are quenching our thirst with Lord's power. Right? So let's quench our thirst by chanting Nama in temples. And chant at your home, nothing wrong in that. When you are going to a temple, particularly Divya Desam or the Purana temples, if you go through the Sthala Purana, many sages did penance there. So they have enjoyed Lord's sanctity there. So the Lord's energy is filled up in those Divya Desams or Purana sthanas. So by going there or by chanting there, you are receiving abundant blessings. So that's the reason Viswas has arranged Vishnu Sahasranama chanting from many Divya Desam on this wonderful Bhishmashtami. So many of us are going to be in the home. Some of the people are going to chant in the Divya Desam. But automatically, everyone will be benefited. Because all the Divya Desha Perumal will listen to the wonderful reciting of all the devotees. He doesn't need a internet or Google Meet or Zoom Meet, anything else, right? He is a meeting point for us. So I'm really happy to see the progress of this verse. I'm really happy to see so many people have joined early morning on Vishnu Sahasranama. So with the blessings of great acharyas, Adishankar Bhagavad Swami Ramanuja, Srimad Madhvacharya, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sant Namdev Maharaj, Kaivalya Samraj Chakravarti, Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj, Mauli, great Acharyas, blessings. I'm praying to Lord Sriman Narayana. Let us chant Vishnu Sahasranama continuously till our last. Even if you go to Badrigashram, Swarnamandu Divyadesa, in the chill climate, every day, morning and evening, people used to recite Vishnu Sahasranama. There is a Vishnu Sahasranama Aarti in Badrigashram. So, from Himalayas towards Kanyakumari, each and every place in this Bharata Bhumi is filled with Vishnu Sahasranama. Now, after this was wonderful efforts. The world has been filled with, or the world has been locked with Vishnu Sahasranama. So once again, I congratulate the Viswas team. Once again, I congratulate all the participants. Enjoy the great Vishnu Sahasranama and enjoy the blessings of Lord Sriman Narayana. Radhe Krishna